Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Samsung SmartThings for Zigbee device pairing step by step clearly. To activate Samsung SmartThings for Zigbee device pairing, begin by ensuring you have the SmartThings app installed on your smartphone. Open the SmartThings app. Log into your Samsung account if prompted. On the main screen, tap the plus icon to add a new device. From the list, select Device. Choose Add Device manually. Scroll down and find the category for Zigbee. Select the type of device you are pairing, such as a bulb or a sensor. Follow any on-screen instructions specific to your device. Make sure your Zigbee device is powered on. If pairing a bulb, turn it on and off multiple times until it starts blinking. For other devices, consult the user manual for specific pairing instructions. Once your Zigbee device enters pairing mode, tap Next on the app. The app will search for nearby Zigbee devices. When your device is detected, select it from the list. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup process. After successful pairing, customize your device settings as needed. You can rename the device or add it to a room within the app. Once finished, ensure everything is functioning correctly within the SmartThings app. Your Samsung SmartThings setup for Zigbee device pairing is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.